Hello my happy crafters, how is everybody doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a marvelous day. Well, I wish I could say that I was, although I really am, but oh my goodness, you guys, it's hot. Ay Dios mío. I'm like, I can't. I have to stand like in front of the air conditioner the whole entire day. I've been doing that for the past couple days. So my friends, I'm pretty sure most of you have as well. Well, it is the time, my friends. It is the time to pick a winner for the Out of This World collab. Blah, 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 blah. Yes, my friends, it is time, and I wanted to share with you guys what I have been working on, which is the reason why I am late to draw this winner. I did share a quick little preview, and I did kind of make a notice on my community page that I was running just a little bit behind. First of all, with the heat, I couldn't even enter my craft room because like my supplies were melting, and I'm sure I would melt as well. It was so hot. And so I took the time to stay in my air-conditioned room and sketch. And so I did share my preliminary sketch. And by the way, if I sign things HDC, that stands for Happy Day Crafts, so you guys know. You know, Happy Day Crafts is a pretty long one. So sometimes I'll abbreviate it if I, so just so you guys know, if I put HDC, that's me, Happy Day Crafts. Carmen, hello, how'd you doing? So this is how it all started. This was like my original sketch for, just trying to get some kind of inspiration, still with working with the theme of Out of This World, which is hosted by the amazing Crystal Rose, who is just crafting over here, my friends. She's just crafting over here. But it was super fun, super amazing. Oh my god, she has such an amazing turnout. Like, honestly speaking, I'm clapping for you, my doll, because you did an amazing job, and everybody did such a awesome project. We saw so many different like ranges of crafts and styles. It was so cool. I loved it. And I hope that you guys loved it as well. It was so fun hopping from video to video. And so, my friends, so this is the preliminary sketch, as I mentioned before, and this is what I did with it. I haven't given her a name. I don't know what to call her. Let's see, we can come up with one real quick. That's tough. That's tough right now. I would love to know what name. You know what? You can name it. Whoever wins her can name her. I'm gonna leave it for you guys to name. So my friends, there's a lot going on in here. I still wanted to keep it with the Out of This World theme, and so this was the canvas that I created for the collab. And as you guys can see, there's all these different orbs and different things, because it's like they open some kind of a portal, and so you have access to all these different worlds because they open this portal up. As you guys can see, some of these worlds have buildings, some of them just have birds, others have little alien creatures. There's other huge orbs here that we don't know what's in them. And so I thought, how cool would it be to continue on and add another layer, another colorful layer to these worlds. And so this is what I made. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope that the winner likes it as well. I did try to incorporate some of the clouds and stuff like that. It doesn't glow in the dark, my friends, but I did put tons and tons and tons of glitter in here to make it sparkle and make her sparkle. And as well as this, because I did say I was going to give away some crafty goodies. The story goes that these out of this world beings come to this planet and other planets for resources. They go there for minerals, they go there for gold, sometimes they take people, yikes. But I don't know, I didn't see it. But anyway, that's what they say. So I thought, how cool would it be to add some findings? Some of the things that were found, or some of the things that are abundant in her planet. And so I decided to gather some minerals, my friends. And here are the minerals. We have glitter, a whole bunch of different glitters. These represent different kinds of rocks in her planet. Different kinds of rocks, my friends. Different mineral sources. Some come from under the water, some come from caves, others come from flowers, because this is a very interesting world, my friends. There is such an amazing, like, oh my goodness, like the flowers shoot out glitter. Oh my goodness, have you ever seen such a thing? I was awed when I saw it. I was in awe. Oh my goodness, my mouth hit the floor. I said, what? The flowers shoot glitter? Oh. So we've got all these different glitters here, and I even added a little bit of silver sequins. These are like falling stars, but like they're so tiny that they make no impact on the planet itself, so they're really, really cute. It looks like rain. Oh, this is rain. Forget it, it's not falling, nothing. It's rain, my friends. It's rain. This is their rain, and it comes down like little sequins. And here we have some rose gold, and here we have some rose gold diamonds, and you have large, medium, and small. We've got some purple, we've got some white diamonds, because I think every single planet in the solar system has white diamonds, and some planets, like her planet, even have rose gold diamonds. So her planet is, like I said, very, very abundant in minerals. And so we have some of that, some gold glitter, and of course, you guys, we have tiny little stars, because this is an out of this world collab. So there's tiny little stars in here, and I'm sorry you guys can't really see it too well. There's tiny little stars in there. And then we also have some of this baby blue, some green, and some royal blue. So the lucky winner is going to receive both the canvas as well as their bundle of minerals, my friends. So I have pulled out the random common picker, and again, I just want to say thank you all so much to all of you guys that took the time to not just watch the videos but also took the time to comment. I truly appreciate it. My channel appreciates it, and it's just, I was so like over the moon just being able to read all of the things and answer you guys back. It just felt so special, and I want to thank Crystal once again for having me be a part of it, and I want to thank you guys so much for putting the hard work of watching everybody's videos, because that was a lot to do in a day, but it was super fun, you guys. Super fun. All right, my friends, so I did have to go ahead and pick another winner. The original winner was Carolina Bug, but unfortunately when I went over to my subscription list through my dashboard, I didn't find her on my list. So just to double check, I did go over to her channel and checked out, you know, through her channel page where she has the listing of everybody that she's subbed to, and I couldn't really find myself there either. You know, sometimes YouTube does glitch out, so, but unfortunately, you know, because I do want to keep this, I do want to close this out, I did have to go ahead and pick out another winner. So the new winner is going to be Kathy's favorite things, my friends. And I want to say thank you so much to you, Kathy, for stopping by and commenting. And she comments, wow, that canvas is very cool. I really loved your process video. Thank you so much for sharing. And she put some alien heads and some hearts. That spaceship, oh my goodness, I think she loved it. So that is awesome. That is always the goal here on this channel. That is always the goal. So Kathy, if you can please email me your address and comment in this video that you saw that you're the winner. For everybody else that is watching this, please do not put her name in the comments. Please do not, do not put her name. I want her to watch the video so that she can see that she won. I think that's super fun. So if you guys can just, congrats, that's awesome. And yeah, you guys, I'm super excited. Please stay tuned because I am going to have another giveaway coming up, because July is my birthday month, and it's actually going to be in a couple days, my birthday. But I didn't, with everything else going on, I really didn't have the time to kind of set everything up to do a giveaway. So I'm going to be doing this probably within the next week or so, 2 weeks at most. So just please stay tuned. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing just yet, but I think it'll be super fun either way. And yes, my friends, so with that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for being a part of this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and on to the next one, my friends. On to the next one. Stay cool as much as you possibly can. I cannot wait to go back into my air conditioned room. Yeah, because I only have fans over here, you guys. So what you gonna do? So all right, you guys, thank you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.